Hey guys, my name is Aditya and this is my submission video for CS50's Web Programming with Python and JavaScript Project 2, that is Commerce. Okay, so these are the specifications that I was required to fulfill. I have initiated my app over here for you and this is my loading page for my app. Okay, so I'll just go through the specifications. The first one are the models. So it says you have to at least three models. Okay, for this I've created an item model, a wish list model, comments model, and a bid model. So I have in total four and one user model. Okay, so this part is done, and the second is the create listing. So if I go over here, I have an option to first log in or register. So in order to create a listing, I have to first register. So I've created um an account. So I'll just log in using it. Okay, so now I am logged in into my account, and under this create listing, I can create a listing over here. So in order to create a listing, I can type in the description of my listing. um, that is, I'm listing a coin. This is a unique coin. Okay, so I am taking its price to $20,000. Okay, so this fall, and I have a facility to tell that this falls under a category of art and collectibles. So, and one more thing, I have to post a photo of it. So I have attached my photo. So as soon as I submit this part, a listing is created. Okay, with its description, its price, its bidding amount, and all these options. Okay, so we'll talk about it. Okay, so the next part is an active listing page. So for an active listing page, if you click on this part, active listings, you can see all the active listings that are present with its description. If you open any other listing, you can see all of its contents here. Okay, so moving on, next part is a listing page. Okay, so there are a few features that I have to implement under the listing page of any item. Okay, so I'll take the example of this listing that I just created. Okay, if I open this, first functionality is that I'll be able to bid it. Okay, so if I bid $20 over here, it will restrict me that the value should be greater than or equal to 20,000. That is the bidding price. So I'll just stay uh, enter a price that is bigger than 20,000. As soon as I enter this price, I see that one bid has been placed so far, but that bid is right now anonymous. Okay, so it also says that you should be able to add or delete an item from a wish list. Okay, so over here you can add this item to the wish list. If I click on this, this item is now added to my wish list. If you see over here, and if I open in there, I can also remove this from my wish list also. Okay, so one more that is functionality that I can create over here is that the person who has created the auction should be also able to close the auction. So if I click on this close the auction button, so the auction has been closed, and as I was the only one bidding at this, so I am the winner of this auction. Okay, so as soon as the auction is closed, it has been removed from my active listing page. Okay, so the next part is that should be able to add comments. Okay, so just example, for example, this is my listing. I have to add any comment. Nice product. Okay, so I add a comment over here. As soon as I submit, my comment will also be shown over here. Any person who comments on any item, those comments would be shown right over here in the comment section. Okay, so listing page functionality is done. Watch list is also done, that I already showed you guys. Next is the categories part. Okay, so the categories part normally contain that if I go to my active listings, I can select the listing that I want to show. So if I go to fashion and accessories, okay, right now no product in that part. Okay, if I go to art and collectibles, then these all products are in my art and collectibles. Okay, it shows which field category is now being shown, so you can go through these categories also. So the last part is the Django admin interface. So this is just an interface that I can go through here, that is admin. I have to log in with my super user credentials. Okay, as soon as I log in, I can see, add, delete any items from this backend only. So once I'm done with this part, I can simply log out from here. Okay, so I think I fulfilled all the functionalities over here. So thank you. This was Project 2 Commerce.